Are you dreaming of studying in Europe, where quality education meets vibrant student life? Well, Netherlands might just be the perfect place for you. With globally recognized university, affordable tuition as compared to the US or UK, and a multicultural vibe, it's a top pick for Indian as well as international students. In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 universities in Netherlands, where we will tell you about the global rankings, popular courses, eligibility criteria, tuition fees, and acceptance rate. And yes, some hidden gems too. तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स डाइव राइट इन बट बिफोर डूइंग दैट लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ स्टडीइंग अब्रॉड इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर फ्यूचर प्लान and subscribe for more expert guidance. Let's start strong with TU Delft, the best tech university in the Netherlands, ranked 56 globally. Known for its cutting-edge research in engineering, computer science, and design, TU Delft attracts top minds from all over the world. But admission. Well, for master's program, you'll need a TOEFL IBT score of at least 100 or IELTS 7. For bachelor's, you'll need a science-heavy background. Subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, or even biology are applicable for some courses. Just for your information, only a few bachelor courses are taught in English. So check before you apply. Well, tuition fees, it is about 16,000 euros to 22,000 euros annually. And the acceptance rate is about 30 to 40%. So competition is stiff. If you are aiming for innovation, this could be your place. But be ready to bring your A game. Next up, the University of Amsterdam, ranked 58 globally. It is one of the most prestigious and competitive institutions in Europe, especially for law, psychology, social science, and humanities. For eligibility, they expect a GPA equivalent of 3.0 or a TOEFL score of 100 or IELTS 7. For bachelor's, a TOEFL score of 92 or IELTS 6.5 will also do. And the tuition fees ranges from 10,000 euros to 20,000 euros per year. But here is the twist. The acceptance rate is just 4%. Yes, you heard it right. University of Amsterdam is super selective, especially for international students. Now drop a comment if University of Amsterdam is your dream university. Ranked 67 globally, Wageningen is a global leader in life sciences, agriculture, and environmental research. Bachelor's applicant must have 75% in 5 academic subjects, including subjects like biology, physics, or maths, depending on your PERS. English proficiency requirements are a little lighter. TOEFL of 80 or IELTS 6 are acceptable. It's also more inclusive. Great acceptance rate and tuition fees ranges from 15,000 euros to 22,000 euros per year. Ideal if you're passionate about sustainability, food tech, and environmental research. Wageningen is where science meets impact. If you are driven by purpose, this could be your new home. Leiden, ranked 73, is the oldest university in the Netherlands and is famous for law, international relations, and social sciences. You will need a diploma equivalent to Dutch pre-university level and strong English scores. IELTS 6.5 plus or TOEFL 90 plus is typically required. With a moderate acceptance rate of 40 to 60%, Leiden offers a balance of prestige and accessibility. Its tuition fees ranges from 13,000 euros to 30,000 euros depending on your course. Ranked 80 worldwide, Groningen is an excellent choice for business, medicine, psychology, and economics. It's a student-friendly city and offers strong career opportunities after graduation. It is expected to meet a GPA equivalent to 7 on 10 with TOEFL 100 or IELTS 7. Tuition fees ranges from 13,000 euros to 22,000 euros annually, and the acceptance rate is around 50%, which is a decent amount for such a reputed university. It's perfect for those looking for a vibrant student life with high academic standards. With a global rank of 107, Erasmus is best known for business, law, and medical sciences. In fact, Rotterdam School of Management ranks number 1 in the Netherlands for finance and investment. It is one of Europe's leading business schools and offers undergraduate and postgraduate programs taught mainly in English, including MBA, executive education, and PhD programs. If you are from the ISC board, aim for at least 80% in 5 subjects. For English, TOEFL 100 or IELTS 7 is required. Fees ranges from 10,000 euros to 20,000 euros, and you have a 50 to 60% chance of getting in, which is pretty encouraging. Great urban campus, great ROI, especially for economics or international law students. Ranked 132, Maastricht uses problem-based learning, which is quite unique. Popular for law, business, and medicine, it attracts students from over 100 countries. GRE scores are mandatory for many master's programs. Minimum 144 in verbal and quants and 3.0 in writing. TOEFL or IELTS are needed if your prior education was not completely in English. Tuition fees is a bit higher, around 20,000 euros to 25,000 euros. But the acceptance rate is around 50 to 60%. VU ranked 136 is ideal if you are aiming for humanities, business, psychology, or life sciences. You will need a TOEFL score of 92 or IELTS 6.5 and a solid subject knowledge. Tuition fees ranges from 18,000 euros to 35,000 euros, depending on your course, and the acceptance rate is around 30 to 40%. Radboud, ranked 143, is a friendly yet academically solid university, popular for psychology, arts, and biomedical sciences. For English, aim for IELTS 6 or TOEFL 80. The tuition fees ranges from 15,000 euros to 21,000 euros annually, and the acceptance rate is around 40 to 50%. It's well balanced, academically strong, socially vibrant, and not too heavy on the wallet. Last but not the least, the University of Twente, ranked 180, is a solid choice for engineering, education, and social sciences. For English, aim for IELTS 6.5 or TOEFL 90. It's one of the most affordable on this list, with tuition fees ranges from 9,000 euros to 15,000 euros, and the acceptance rate is around 40 to 50%. If you want quality education without breaking your bank, Twente is your go-to university. So that was your complete guide to the top 10 universities in the Netherlands. Whether you are dreaming for tech innovation at TU Delft, business leadership at Erasmus, or making a global impact with life sciences at Wageningen, there is something here for every ambition. The Netherlands offers not just great academics, but also safety, multicultural exposure, and a strong career post-graduation. Now it's your turn. Comment below which university are you aiming for. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your study abroad buddies. And I'll see you in the next one.